This is the answer to number 11 for the January 2019 Regents. Okay, so you should have gotten answer choice 1. But if you did not, all right, so this is asking me to square 2x minus I. So I'm going to square it. So this is 4x squared minus 2xi minus 2xi plus I squared. Okay, we have another binomial over here also being multiplied, so I'm going to multiply that out next. So we have 2x minus I, 2x plus 3i. Okay, when we multiply this, we have 4x squared minus 2xi plus 6xi minus 3i squared. Okay. So now we have some like terms here. So we have 4x squared. This is minus 4xi plus I squared. This one is 4x squared plus 4xi minus 3i squared. Now, remember there was a minus sign in between the two, so I have to put a minus sign here. Okay. So now when I subtract, I'm going to keep that entire first polynomial. I'm going to change this to addition, this to minus, and this to plus. Okay, now I have some like terms. The 4x squared and the 4x squared, they cancel. We have a negative 4xi and a negative 4xi, so that's a negative 8xi. And then we have an I squared and a 3i squared, so that's plus 4i squared. All right, now when you look at your answer choices, none of them have an I squared in it. If you forget your powers of I, you can use your calculator by pressing second decimal place. That pops up the I, and I squared is really negative 1. So we have negative 8xi, and this I squared is really negative 1. So this whole thing is really minus 4. Making our answer choice 1, the order is just swapped in 1.